today we'll talk about how can you enable your admirers notifications on your Bumble app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just go down here, click on notification settings. So then you come here to your admires, just click on it. Come here to push notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here new admires notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.